deux, trois, quatre.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, there she comes, speaking French.
Bonjour. Comment ça va?
It's good you are here. Bring your sharp mind to the discussion.
What discussion?
Whether or not to open schools now.
We must let science and experience lead us.
That's right. What do you mean?
Epidemiology, virology, statistics, and confirm best practices.
I told you guys.
Could you explain your big words?
You all know the disease spreading matter comes under epidemiology. Virology is key because we need to know everything about the virus and how to fight it. That is why we know it can be spread from the nose and mouth. Hence, face masks, wash your hands, use hand sanitizers, and keep a distance of at least 1.5 meters away.
You go, girl.
Again, the epidemiologist supported by the virologist will lead the research to find the cure and vaccines.
Charlie, she's good.
Now, statistics. How to put together and make sense of the local, national, regional, and global figures.
Wow.
Testing, tracking, and contact tracing gives us the figures we need to decide on general and specific measures. That is why there has to be lockdowns, partial lockdowns, curfews, and the rest.
Oh, wow.
I have been researching. I am writing a book called New Life, actually.
Impressive.
Okay, it's all good. But you still haven't answered the question, whether or not to go back to school.
I'll get there if you allow me. The last in line of defense is best practices. We have to learn from countries that have put COVID-19 under control and gone back to school successfully. There's also talk of hybrid schooling.
Janie, come over here, honey.
Thanks, Mom, for saving us a long lecture.
But you asked for it.
Oh, Jane, you have greatly enhanced our discussion.
In fact, your intervention has been the best so far. Spot on.
Mercy. To be continued. Au revoir.
Wow.
Charlie, this is your sister. You say, how old is she again?
Charlie, you see how they brave for me, bro.
Charlie, she's cool.